Yeah. It's hello is just a word. Nah, it's deeper than that. They told me love was soft, I don't play that. Heart cold in the winter, flame burning. Way back, I've been walking through the fire, pain under each step. Still I stand tall, no fear, no regret. Said I loved you, nah, that don't explain it. It's devotion carved in stone, I engraved it. Every scar tell a story, every loss made me colder. But when I think of you, the weight pull me closer. Said I loved you, but I lied. 'Cause this is more than love I feel inside. Said I loved you, but I was wrong. 'Cause love can never, ever feel so strong. Said I loved you, but look in my eyes, you can see no disguise. Every tear I held back still live inside. Life tried to green me, tried to steal my name, but your love kept me sane in the middle of flames. City full of demons, I learned how to survive. Heart full of scars, but I'm still alive. Once they die, what we built, let them watch us rise. From the dirt to the dawn, yeah, we earned this life, yeah. Said I loved you, but I lied. 'Cause this is more than love I feel inside. Said I loved you, but I was wrong. 'Cause love can never, ever feel so strong. Said I love you, but I lied, yeah. Late nights talking to the stars in my soul. Every prayer I wish that already knows. If I lose it all, still won't let go. This ain't just love, just the oath I wrong. When the lights fade out and I'm standing alone, the name still echoes inside my bones. I don't say forever, just to sound right. I live it, I prove it, every fight, yeah.